Sandbaggy pink color landscape staples are uniquely designed to be visible and bright after installation. To avoid staples getting caught in mowers, our gardener customers use these bright pink staples so they are easy to identify and avoid when gardening. They are made of strong, low-carbon 11-gauge steel and help get the job done. With a thick powder coat finish, the staples will not rust and can be reused many times. They're great for many applications, including installing all kinds of landscape fabrics, erosion control matting, bird netting, artificial turf, drip irrigation, fencing, and holding down tents. These staples can secure PVC pipes and drip tubing up to 1 inch in diameter. We recommend separating each staple 2 to 4 feet and using a rubber mallet for easy installation. Save time and effort with Sandbaggy staples. We carry a full line of staples from 6 to 12 inches long for soft and hard soils and keep millions of units in stock at all times. That's why we're the #1 best-selling brand of landscape staples on the internet. Sandbaggy is an American company based in California that's trusted by government agencies, farmers, landscapers, and homeowners across this great country.